hate having the AC noise in the background though. My Postmates will be here before I start the video. What's up guys, it's Natalie here, and today I am filming a summer get ready with me. This has been super highly requested since I've been doing kind of the same makeup look in all of my Instagram photos and a lot of my vlogs. By the way, self-promo, subscribe to my vlog channel. You guys have been asking for it, so I'm excited to finally film it for you guys. And also it's going to be a chit chat get ready with me because I like filming these way more. I just feel like they're more personal and I have someone to talk to while I'm doing my makeups. If you guys are new here, please be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. I post videos every Tuesdays and Fridays, and I just post like lifestyle college videos. But we're just gonna get right into the video because I hate filming super long intros. So I'm gonna start off with primer. I always start off with primer, especially in the heat. You definitely need that. I will say, people say that LA is like always hot. I don't think it is at all. Like, I'm so used to hotter weather. Like, I'm originally from Miami and then I live in North Carolina now, which gets cold in the winter, but like the summers are hot there. And I just feel like LA, I'm like actually cold half the time. So I'm not like sweating that much here or tanning, as you guys can tell. Next, I'm gonna go in with this Lumi Glotion. I am all about like looking very highlighted and like glowy. Like that's like my favorite makeup look to do. Next, I'm going to be using IT Cosmetics CC Cream. I actually just got this, so this is not something I have been using, but it's something that I have wanted to try. So we're going to test it out on camera, do a little first impression of it. Hopefully this is my color. It blends really, really nicely into my skin. Like, it makes it look more natural and like less heavy, which is what I was going for because I normally am not someone who like breaks out a lot, so I don't need to have like a heavy foundation. Besides this week, I literally just got 2 pimples this week. Right after I filmed my skincare routine, and I was like, I haven't gotten a pimple all summer, and then I got a pimple. So after that, I always go in with concealer. I just put it underneath my eyes and like wherever I have pimples to cover up anything. But I wanted to talk to you guys about just like this summer in general, any future plans that I have, or just like how I've been liking it. I've seen a lot of your guys' questions like on my DMs and the comments below. A lot of you guys, it's kind of funny, you guys are like, please don't move to LA, like we don't want you to move to LA, which I would love to know. If you're one of those people that doesn't want me to move to LA, comment why not. I'm not moving here, I'm leaving in August, but I would love to know what your thoughts are on like why you don't want people moving there. So after concealer, I just set my makeup. But so I wanted to let you guys know how I've been liking it in general. For me personally, I have always been one of those people, if you guys have followed my videos, that has been obsessed with New York. I go there all the time. A lot of people think I'm from there or I've lived there. I've had brands reach out to me being like, oh yeah, we're looking for like a New York City based influencer to go to this event or to do whatever like brand deal, and they're looking for someone based in New York City. And I'm always like, wait, I don't live in New York City. I'm not based there. And just because I go there so often, I go normally on average, I feel like it's like 5 times a year. Like I'm there a lot. The moral of the story is I've always been a huge like New York girl, I guess. I feel like you're either like New York or LA. Like you can like both, but you're like one or the other, you know? And since I've always just like loved New York, I like that like fast-paced environment, and like the people there I feel are more real, and like I've always really loved like the hustle and the grind of a city environment. And I feel like here in LA, not trying to bash it, I still really like LA. I just feel like in LA, everyone that you see here is like trying to be an influencer, trying to be famous, or just cares about like numbers, like followers and whatnot, like that type of stuff. And I'm highlighting now, sorry, I'm like trying to talk and do my makeup at the same time, which is so much harder than you would think. Like in LA, everyone's trying to be famous, everyone's trying to like fake it till you make it, get a bunch of followers really quickly, become famous really quickly. Like they work in the entertainment industry, which is awesome. But for me, I like more like brushing shoulders with CEOs and stockbrokers and authors and writers and influencers and people that work at like at a restaurant and all of that stuff. Like I feel like in New York you get more of everything versus in LA it's very like one thing that you're getting. And like I'm one to talk because I'm doing YouTube, you know, but I also like have other interests too. And you guys know, like I'm an engineering major, I have a job lined up after college, I'm working on a project that is gonna be I'm so excited to share it with you guys. Oh my gosh, like, unless I'm here for like acting or singing, it's not the place for me. So let me know if you guys have ever been here and if you guys feel the same way. I'm really happy I experienced a summer here because now I know that, and I know that it might not be the place for me. And I just like, I don't know, I just love that like grit of New York. People don't care if they know their name, they just like want to make a name, like do something for themselves. That's what I really love and I really admire about the people there. Of course, every big city has its ups and downs and pros and cons, and there's gonna be people like that everywhere you meet. But that's just something that I'm like, I really, really love about the East Coast more than the West Coast, I guess. Next, I'm going to go in with a little more bronzer just to make sure like the highlight doesn't like go over the bronzer, because I'd rather have more bronzer. Now I'm going to move on to the eyes. So I'm going to scoot you a little forward. There you go. I'm just going to start by priming my eyelids because we're going to do a lot of color on the lids, so this is like super important. I also want to know if you guys are East Coasters or West Coasters or just where you're from. Comment down below. I have so many of you guys from all over the world, which is mind-blowing to me, you guys. If you're watching this from anywhere other than, or even if you're watching this in LA, just comment down below. I really want to know where you guys are from and where you're watching this video right now. I'm going to go in with this like low-key color is what it's called, and I'm just going to blend that all over my lid and crease area. It's just going to be a subtle like blending color. Overall, I am very, very happy that I spent the summer here. It's more eye-opening, I guess. I think I like realized a lot of what I don't like about it here, which I think I'm really glad that I did that before let's say like I decided to move here, you know. I'm not like at peace here. I know that it sounds kind of weird, but I just feel like I'm so much happier or like more myself in other places, and I want to have a whole video after the summer ends about my thoughts living here, because who knows, in a month it might change. But as of now, kind of wanted to update you guys, kind of like a progress report, like a halfway mark. Like, I'm going to go in with this orange color. It's called Vitamin D. I'm going to blend that out and just start blending it into my crease area. Focusing it more on the outside, but like trying to blend it just all over on my crease. Just lightly with a light hand. And then I'm taking just like a flat brush and with that same color, putting it on my lid. So this makeup look is literally like the easiest thing ever. It's very monochromatic, which I like. There's no like glitter or anything like that. Super, super easy, and I'm just putting that on my lid. And then with another blending brush, I'm taking that low-key color again, and I'm just like blending everything out and making it a little more subtle and like lighter, because it's like very, very vibrant. So I'm just toning it down with that color on top. And for mascara, I used to have eyelash extensions, but I don't have them anymore, so I just go ahead and curl my lashes and put some mascara on. And then after that, I just apply a lipstick, any lip color that I'm feeling that day. Right now, I'm going to apply this Sephora collection one. It's really, really cute. It's the color, or the number 6, and it's called Tan Lines. Perfect for summer. And this is the finished look. It literally takes me like 10 minutes in the morning to do. It's so beyond easy. And also, I just really want to give you guys an update on kind of how I've been liking LA. So far, I'm glad I came here for the experience and stuff like that. But will I be moving here in the future? Probably not. Could change, never say never, but I just don't see myself here. I'll be an East Coast girl forever, I think. So comment down below if you guys like East Coast, West Coast better. Which one is your preference? Why don't you want me moving to LA if you're one of those people? But yeah, I just want to really update you guys and film my makeup on camera for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. My Postmates just got here, so I'm gonna go eat and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys.